So look, let's be honest, installing N8N locally on your machine can be challenging. It can feel like it's way too technical, and sometimes the hurdles that you have to overcome might feel impossible. Setting up Cloudflare tunnels, fussing with DNS records. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install N8N locally as a total beginner in 3 easy steps. What I'm going to be sharing today, I could not find anywhere else. And I invested over 8 hours myself just trying to figure out how to do this. So why would you want to install the local version of N8N? A few simple reasons. Number 1, it's more secure. You hold all of your data on premise. Number 2, it's the free version of N8N. N8N does offer a cloud product, but they charge you a hefty fee for it. But this is the free and open source version of N8N that I'm going to be showing you how to install. And finally, and most importantly, this is what enterprises require if they want to run things like N8N. Large companies are scared of putting their stuff in the cloud. They want to be able to run it on their own server. Understandably so. So if you want to take this to a medium-sized or a larger company, then you're going to need to know how to install N8N locally. If you want to master time-saving automations that can easily gain you back 150 or more hours per year, you should join my community, AI Foundations. I wear it on my shirt right here. We have 5 friendly, full-time coaches. We provide unlimited tech support, and my brother and I developed some of the most comprehensive N8N training that you'll find anywhere. We packed it all into the N8N Mastery course. So if you want to join a community that's helped members save time, cut costs, and in some cases completely turn their career around, then you should join AI Foundations. AI is moving faster than any tech shift since the dot-com boom. And this is your chance to get ahead of it this time while gaining back hours of your life. You can join AI Foundations using the link in the description right below this video. I hope to see you inside. Now, in the spirit of saving time, I'm going to show you the fastest way to install N8N locally. As I said, this is a 3-step process, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Step 1 is to get a domain name. So head over to cloudflare.com and get logged in. Once you've logged into Cloudflare, you're going to go over to the domain registration tab. As you can see here, I already have a domain called run8n.com. If you already have a domain here that you're not using for something else, then you can register it to run N8N locally. But if you don't have a domain, this is the only cost that you're going to incur. And I have good news for you. It's only $10 per year to register a domain through Cloudflare. So in order to register a domain, you're going to click the add button in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to click register a domain. And then right here, you're going to search for a domain name. So as you can see here, I've just typed in productive n8n.com. I'm going to go ahead and search for this. And as you can see, it's available. I've got the green check mark and it's only $10.44 per year. So I'm going to go ahead and hit purchase. Now what you'll do here is you'll go through all the steps below. You'll choose how long you want to subscribe for, and you can choose anywhere from 1 to 10 years. And just get that domain registered with Cloudflare. Once you're done, head back to Account Home, and you should see your available domains right here. For this example, I'm going to be using my run8n.com, but whatever domain you installed, you'll see it here, and this is the one that you can use. So now you've completed step 1, getting your domain. Congratulations. The next step is to get all of the prerequisites installed on your machine. For the first prerequisite, we're going to install Docker Desktop. So to get here, you can just go to docs.docker.com. And then once you're here, you can scroll down and you can find the installation. So down here, we have install Docker Desktop, and I'm going to click on the Mac installer. Then I'll select the version of Mac that I have. Then you'll click on the file that it downloaded. And what it's going to do is open up the installer. It's simple on Mac. You just drag Docker into the applications folder here. Then once it's copied over, you're just going to double click on Docker. Next, I'll hit open and it should open up Docker Desktop. Now we're going to get signed in with Google, GitHub, or we're just going to create an account with Docker. So I'm just going to choose my login method here. And then once I'm logged in, I'll be able to see that I have my profile signed in the upper right-hand corner here. You should see the letter of your first name. And now we can minimize Docker Desktop. Next, we're going to download Cloudflare, which is a tool that allows Cloudflare to connect to our local device. So I'll have a link to this page in the description. You can just head down, click on that, and it will bring you to their downloads page where you can scroll down and find whatever device you're on. You can use their installer here or here if you're on a Mac, or you can download a version of it here on Windows. I'm going to use this simple brew install Cloudflare command. So I'll go ahead and copy this. Then I'll open up a new terminal and I'll just paste this directly into the terminal and hit enter. And this will install Cloudflare for you. After installing Docker Desktop, getting your Cloudflare set up, next you're going to head over to CribOps Docs. This is an installer that makes N8N stupid simple to install. It was created by a member of the AI Foundation's community. They did an incredible job on this installer, and this has helped countless people install N8N. So you can click the link below to get over to the CribOps Docs, and then once you're here, you can scroll down until you see downloads right here. And then you're just going to click on the version that you have. So I'm on the Mac OS, so I'm going to click on that one. That is going to download a zip file for you. You're just going to double click on it, and that should extract it. Next, you're going to see this .dmg file, or you'll see some .msi or something like that if you're on Windows. You can just double click on this, and it's going to run you through the installation process, quick and simple. So I'm just going to double click on this file right here to install it. I'm going to hit continue, agree, and then I'm going to install the CribOps CLI. That'll pull up their website, but you can just minimize this for now. Now it says the installation was successful, so I can close it. And finally, we move on to step 3, installing N8N with a couple simple commands. Next, I'm going to open up my terminal and I'm going to type in cribops-cli space setup space -h, and then I'll hit enter. And this is going to give me all of the commands that I can use with the CribOps CLI. I'm going to scroll up just a bit here, and you should see this one-line setup with Cloudflare tunnel, no prompts. I'm going to copy this entire command right here with Command C on my Mac or Control C if you're on Windows. And you're going to go down and you're going to paste that into the terminal. Next, I'm going to go all the way back to where it has my tunnel name right here, where it says my N8N, and I'm going to enter a unique tunnel name. I'll just type in test, and then I'll go back down to the n8n.example.com, and I'll just delete this out of here completely. And then I'll just type in what my tunnel name is. So I'll go test, and then I'm going to put a dot, and I'm going to type in the domain name that I purchased from Cloudflare. So for me, that's run.n8n.com. Then I'll hit enter. I'll click 1 and then hit enter again. And that's going to install everything that I need. Now I'll just type in one last command, and it's right here, docker compose up -d. So I'm going to type that in, and that's going to install everything in my Docker. So now I'll go ahead and hit enter. And as you can see, it's pulling everything that it needs to run N8N locally. And it's even pulling Postgres so that I can run local databases right here on my device. Once it's done with all the installations, you can just scroll up to where it gives you your access N8N at domain, and you're just going to copy that URL. Then you'll just open up your web browser and you'll paste in that URL and hit enter. And after going through those steps, you should have N8N installed locally. Now, if you get an error here with Cloudflare, you can go back to your terminal and type in docker compose down and then hit enter. And that's going to shut everything down. And then we're just going to type in docker compose up -d once again and hit enter. And that will get everything installed properly this time. Postgres might take a little while to install and set up, but then after 30 seconds here, it now says healthy and everything has been started and created. So now you should be able to go back to that domain. In my case, it's test.run8n.com. Next, you simply add your email, first name, last name, and a password. Hit next. Fill out all of this arbitrary information right here. Hit get started. And then in order to get the full suite of features here, N8N is going to send you a free license key. So put in your email here and hit send me a free license key. And then click on this link in the lower left-hand corner for usage and plan. Click on enter activation key. And then you're going to head over to your email. And it does take a little bit of time sometimes for N8N to send that license key. But once they've sent it to you, you can just enter it here and hit activate. So I'm just going to paste my activation key and then I'll hit activate. And now it should say license activated down here. And now you can just go back. You can click start from scratch and you can begin using N8N. If I click this plus right here and then I type in webhook and click on webhook, as you can see here, it's using an HTTPS domain that I have set up over on Cloudflare. This is what's going to allow you to connect to the outside world. A lot of tutorials show you how to get set up with the local host, but in this one, we showed you how to actually set up your domain with HTTPS the easiest way possible. And without that, a local N8N install is actually pretty useless. Now remember, if you're interested in saving hours of time by learning N8N, getting unlimited tech support, and being surrounded by friendly faces in the AI space, then click the link below to join our community, AI Foundations. This is the fastest way to learn automations and AI right now. And you'll be surrounded by incredible people like Jim, who helped to create this simple installer for N8N. And if you're interested in installing more local AI tools, then I recommend you check out my Claude Code quick install tutorial. With that, I will see you in the next one.